Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for joining me. Well, I'm excited I get to share with you the brand new card kit of the month for Spellbinders for May 2019. This month's kit is super fun and versatile. It's called Stay Wild. I think it could be geared more towards a masculine kind of theme because of the natural tones of the kit, but there are some fantastic feminine elements in here also. This is your content sheet. On the back, it shows some inspiration on how you can create that card there. Now we're going to take a look at the Cardstock Sheets. You get a specialty copper that's double-sided, and then you get 5 sheets of colored cardstock. You get black, tan, green, you get white, and a gray. And these are 8.5 by 11, and they're a little bit textured. Next off, as always, you get 10 card A2 size card bases and envelopes. They are A2 in size, which means they are 4¼ by 5.5 inches, and they are made with the same textured cardstock as the sheets that you get in your kit. Great for layering and matting. This is your stamp set here. It's called Stay Wild. Got a cute little bear on there, great for guy birthdays or girl birthdays, and you have some fun sentiments in there as well. You also get your dies. This month comes with 9 dies, and I was super excited about these because you get this beautiful layering flower. You get some leaf flourishes, you get a smile sentiment, and then this banner here will cut out your banner in your stamp set, which I love when things coordinate. Get some decorative elements also. I'm going to die cut out everything to show you a little bit more of what they look like. But here's your flower. I think it's just stunning. You have the base layer, and then you have the detail layer that goes directly on the top, and it creates a beautiful flower. I think if you were to do closer color pinks, I think it would look a lot prettier. I just grabbed some scratch cardstock to die cut it out to show you guys. But this is your smile, and the eye is intact, which is great, which means you won't lose it. You also get your banner, and then this specialty die here that could create a real pretty frame if you layer 4 of them together. And then you get your leaf flourishes. You get 2 single ones also, and the leaf flourishes have embossed details. So if you were to run this through your die cut machine with your embossing mat, it gives great texture and detail to those. So you get 9 dies in total, and I think they're going to be super fun to play with. I'm going to set all of these aside, and next we're going to look at our pattern paper. This month you get a 6x6 paper pad, and it's the Stay Wild paper pad. You get 30 sheets of single-sided pattern papers. You get 2 of each pattern, and I like that there's florals, and you get some masculine, I would say, kind of tones. Some of the pattern paper sheets have foil accents, or copper foil accents, but a lot of neutral tones, which are great for masculine cards. And again, you get 2 sheets of each. So that's your paper pad. Okay, next up you get a 3D butterfly sticker set. This has 3 layers, and they are have a little bit of glittery accent. I'm going to open it up to show you what they look like. And I like the natural tones of the butterflies. You get some browns and grays, and you can see how dimensional they are. And that pretty little shimmer with the glitter on there. And they coordinate with the papers just beautifully. You get the very earthy tones. Okay, next up you get this little goodie bag. And in here you get some photo frames. And don't do this, guys. I tried to peel off the back because I thought there was some adhesive backing on there. But there's no adhesive. It's just got yellow backing. I tried to peel it off, but they're sturdy chipboard pieces, and you get 3 small frames, 4 larger ones, and then you also get 4 journaling tags. These are 3 inches by 4 inches. They're double-sided as well. You got the back side here. So that's everything that came in this little goodie bag. Next up, you get tons and tons of ephemera this month, and sometimes Spellbinders doubles up on the ephemera, and that's what they did this month. So you get 2 of each die cut piece. Lots of sentiments to build and customize your cards. This one here, you just pull apart to separate your little sentiments. But I love these little strips because you can really customize your cards. We're just going to go through this really fast. Some of these ephemera pieces you have to punch out the center pieces. Like this one, you just cut around the frame and it creates a beautiful floral wreath. And that centerpiece had the sentiment that says, hey. I love when they're packed with ephemera because I love making collage cards. Well, that's what I call them, is collage cards. When you kind of bundle a little scene on your card. And I love doing that. Last month's kit, I showed you how you could use your tickets that came in your ephemera pack. And I think there's tons of tickets in here that you could do the same thing with. I'll link that video at the end if you want to check that out. But some of these elements have copper foiling, which make it super shiny and super fun. Butterflies and flowers. Super pretty. Get the little bear tickets. So lots to do, lots you could do with this ephemera pack. Well, I finished up going through it. If you guys are new to the Spellbinders kits, it's a monthly kit subscription. And if you're in the United States, it's only $35, and that includes the shipping. And so I think that's a great value for everything that you get. And I'll link it down below in the description area in case you guys want to check it out. But we're still going with this ephemera, and I think it's super neat. I love the colors too, the natural tones of this kit. Almost done. You get the little radio, some circles. This one here reminds me of those little viewfinders when we were younger. For all you younger crafters, you probably have no idea what a viewfinder is. But that's what that little reel reminded me of. Get some luggage and some more sentiments. Some little tickets and camera. And you get 2 of each again. So there are lots and lots. I'm just going to put this back in the bag. This month you also get some sequins. The sequins, they give you a little sample bag that's just got a few in there, but I appreciate that because, and for some reason, if I used up something in a kit, it's just satisfying. You know that I made something beautiful out of it. So there's your little sample bag, and of course you get your double-sided tape, and then you also get your foam squares. Everything you need to create with the kit. I'll be making 10 cards, so keep a lookout for that. I'll have to do it in 2 parts, so look out for part 1 and part 2. But thank you so much for joining me, guys. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.